Good day, I am Jan Marvel Pila Madrid of BSIT 502. Ang ating app po na i-review ay ang Call of Duty Mobile. Ano ba ang Call of Duty Mobile? Ang Call of Duty Mobile is a free-to-play first-person shooter game developed by Team Studio Group and published by Activision. It's a mobile adaptation of the popular Call of Duty franchise designed specifically for smartphone and tablets. Meron po siyang features nito. Meron po siyang different game modes, merong multiplayer, battle royale, zombies, and tournament. Sa multiplayer, meron po siyang dalawang mode, match and rank match. Kasi meron po ditong mga different game mode. Merong frontline, search and destroy, free for all, hardpoint, team deathmatch, domination, kill confirm, and gunfight. And meron din pong featured game mode, ang demolition, slide boost, case control, and grind. And meron ditong practice mode kung saan pwede ka mag-practice makapag-practice para mas gumaling pa sa laro. Ang advantage nito, pwede ka makipaglaro sa mga iyong kaibigan, kakilala. Kagaya nito, i-invite natin yung isa nating friend, kapatid ko po. Yan. Yan. And then, ang pinili kong game mode is frontline. Papakita ko po yung gameplay. Yan.
Frontline.
Contact with enemy.
We've taken the lead.
Enemy, go! Target down! Enemy contact! Enemy down! Target in sight!
UAV recon ready for deployment. We've taken the lead.
Contact with enemy. Target down.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Hey,
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Contact with enemy. Target down.
Target down! taken the lead.
Get down! Sniper! Sniper! Tango down!
UAV online.
Hmm?
Enemy contact! Enemy down!
Changing neck, cover me.
Yan.
Get down!
So, yun po yung feedbacks natin sa laro. Yun po, second lang po. Feedback. Yung may pros and cons po ito, yung Call of Duty. Yung pros niya po ay, nag-offer siya ng smooth gaming experience with minimal lag, even on lower device. Kagaya po na itong phone ko, lower end device lang po ito. And yung cons naman po niya, yung graphics hindi po sobrang detailed, kagaya nung sa console counterparts. Pero still, maganda pa rin siya for a mobile device. Isa pa pong pros na ito, marami po siyang game mode and marami ring events which you can get mga prizes po, mga any prize, mga barrel skins, and pwede mo rin itong customization ng mga barrel, yung attachments ng barrel, and many more. Yung isa pa pong cons nito ay ito yung resource intensive siya, which may cause issues on older device. Malaki po yung resources nito, yung files ng Call of Duty na game. Overall, maganda po siya for entertainment. Ang isa pa pong cons nito is medyo addictive po siya. Yun po. Yun lamang.